In this FluencyLink tutorial video, you'll learn about the different features of a teacher account and how to navigate the platform. We have video and text guides covering specific features in detail linked in the description below. There is also a help and support link at the bottom of the page. The URL for the platform is FluencyLink.com. You may log in directly with FluencyLink credentials or through an integration with your school's learning management system. Here you may also register a new account if you have an access code and use the Forgot Password link to reset your password. In the top right, the profile page allows you to view and modify your account information. The dashboard contains data about student usage of their books, such as how long they have spent in a book. To access your content, click Learning Content and Library. On the Library tab, you can see all the books you have access to. Some books are standalone ebooks, and others have some embedded resources such as audio, video, and documents. You can access these resources through icons like this on the book pages or in this resource list. You can navigate through the book using the Contents tab, the page left-right arrows, jumping to a specific page number, or using the page thumbnail view. A tutorial covering the book interface functions in more detail is linked below. If you are assigning licenses to students, you will do so under Assign Content. If students are signing up for accounts using an access code, you will not need to assign content. Assign History is where you can see what content you've assigned and who you've assigned it to. Some teacher-specific books may appear under the Teacher Resource tab. At the time of this video, all teacher resource file packs are available directly from the Cheng Tsui web store. My Uploads is a place where you can upload files and links to share with students directly on the platform. Next, we'll look at assessments. Both auto-graded and open-ended questions are available here for teachers to assign to students. Though it is labeled assessment or test on the platform, teachers may also find these assessments appropriate for homework assignments, practice, quizzes, or in-class work. Some subscriptions come with pre-made questions that match the exercises you would find in a physical workbook. You may also custom create your own questions. Most question types are automatically graded, but some require manual grading. There are a variety of question types available, including single or multiple choice, fill in the blanks, audio recording, and descriptive, which are open-ended writing exercises. At the time of this video, we have released pre-made questions that match the workbook exercises in Go Far with Chinese, Integrated Chinese, and Adventures in Japanese. We plan to roll out additional questions, such as from the textbook or teacher resources, at a later date. A standard test is a collection of questions that teachers can assign to students. Again, though it is labeled test, you may consider it any kind of assignment. This is an example assessment of Chapter 3, Section 2 exercises from the Go Far with Chinese Level 2 workbook. A teacher also has the ability to self-attempt an assessment to view it from the student's perspective. You can find tutorial videos to view these features in more detail linked in the description. The evaluation page is where you can view and evaluate assessment responses from students. You are also able to reassign an assessment to selected students or send reminders. The Performance Report page is where you can view an overall summary of assessment scores. Grades can also be exported as Excel files. Next, we'll look at the Homework tab. Homework is a feature for open-ended, teacher-produced prompts. Students can submit text or file upload responses. These are manually graded and can be given a score of 1 to 10. Some use cases may include bell ringers or exit tickets, open-ended reflection questions, or creative assignments such as video, audio, or flexible document uploads. Homework progress data is visible through the dashboard. You can find a tutorial video to view this feature in more detail in the playlist linked in the description. Roster is where you can manage your classes and students. You may roster directly on the platform, or if you use an integration, you can reference the roster data here. If your students are using access codes, you will still manage your classes here, but will not roster. Groups are an optional way to organize students independent from classes. Content, assessments, and homework can be assigned to a group instead of a class. This concludes our overview of FluencyLink. Thanks for watching.